The 7-day fast track. Is it fact or fiction? We've all seen the headlines. Lose 10 pounds in 7 days. It's tempting to believe there's a magic bullet for weight loss, a quick fix to fit into that special outfit or feel more confident. While dramatic transformations often take time, you can make meaningful strides in just 1 week. This isn't about deprivation. It's about jump-starting healthy habits for lasting change. Are you ready to feel lighter and more energized? Let's embark on this 7-day journey together.
Demystifying fat, the science behind the scale. Our bodies need fat. It's essential for energy storage, insulation, and protecting our organs. However, too much stored fat can lead to weight gain and health problems. Think of fat cells like tiny storage containers. When we consume more calories than our bodies burn, those excess calories are converted into triglycerides, a type of fat, and stored in these cells. Over time, these cells expand, leading to weight gain. Understanding this process is key to making informed choices about our diets and lifestyles. It's not just about how much fat we consume, but also the types of fat in our diet. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are crucial for overall well-being. On the other hand, saturated and trans fats, commonly found in processed foods and fried items, can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of heart disease.
The Calorie Equation, fueling your body wisely. Weight loss ultimately boils down to the balance between calories consumed and calories burned. If we consistently consume more calories than our bodies utilize, weight gain is inevitable. Conversely, consuming fewer calories than our bodies need will result in weight loss. This doesn't mean resorting to extreme calorie restriction, which can be counterproductive. Our bodies need a certain number of calories just to function properly. This is known as our basal metabolic rate, or BMR. Factors like age, gender, activity level, and body composition influence our BMR. Understanding our own individual calorie needs is essential for effective weight management. There are various online calculators and apps that can help estimate your daily calorie needs based on your specific information.
Practical tips for a slimmer you in 7 days. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drinking plenty of water curbs cravings and prevents overeating. Prioritize protein. It helps you feel fuller for longer. Fill up on fiber. Fiber-rich foods promote satiety and aid digestion. Cut back on processed foods. They contribute to weight gain. Don't skip meals. Eat regular, balanced meals to keep your metabolism active. Make time for movement. Exercise boosts your metabolism. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. The power of hydration and sleep. Let's delve deeper into the importance of hydration and sleep in our weight loss journey. Water plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including transporting nutrients, flushing out waste products, and regulating body temperature. When we're dehydrated, our metabolism slows down, making it harder to burn calories. Additionally, dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating, making it more challenging to make healthy choices throughout the day. Similarly, sleep is crucial for hormone regulation, including those that control hunger and satiety. When we're sleep deprived, our bodies produce more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin, leading to increased cravings and potential overeating. Sleep deprivation also affects our metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. Prioritizing both hydration and sleep is essential for setting ourselves up for success on our weight loss journey.
Your 7-day roadmap to sustainable weight loss. Remember, this 7-day plan is just the beginning. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can maintain long-term. Here's a recap of the key points. Hydration is key. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to curb cravings and boost metabolism. Prioritize protein and fiber. Incorporate lean protein and fiber-rich foods into your meals to promote satiety. Limit processed foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods to avoid added sugars and unhealthy fats. Don't skip meals. Eat regular, balanced meals to keep your metabolism active. Stay active. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night for hormone regulation. By following these science-backed tips, you can jumpstart your weight loss journey and start feeling healthier and more energized in just 7 days. Remember, consistency is key. Make these changes a part of your daily routine for lasting results. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Shape Me Up channel for more healthy tips in the future.